By 2030, some of the technologies you use every day could quietly disappear, not because they stopped working, but because something faster, smarter, and cheaper replaced them. In this documentary, we'll explore 10 technologies that experts believe are on the path to becoming obsolete, what's replacing them, and why these changes could affect nearly everyone. Some of these technologies are already declining. Others may surprise you. Let's begin with one that's been part of everyday life for thousands of years. Cash. Technology number 1, cash. For thousands of years, cash has been the foundation of everyday transactions. But by 2030, it may no longer be the primary way people pay. Around the world, digital payments are growing rapidly. Mobile wallets, contactless cards, QR codes, and instant bank transfers are replacing physical money because they're faster, more convenient, and easier to track. Some countries are even testing central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, government-backed, digital versions of cash that could make payments almost entirely electronic. This doesn't mean cash will disappear everywhere overnight. In many places, it will still have an important role. But as businesses and consumers continue shifting toward digital payments, carrying cash could become increasingly uncommon, especially in major cities. And cash isn't the only thing disappearing from our pockets. The next technology becoming obsolete is something almost everyone carries: physical keys. Technology number 2, physical keys. For centuries, a simple metal key has been the standard way to secure homes, offices, and vehicles. But that technology is quickly being replaced. Today, millions of people already unlock their doors using smartphones, smartwatches, fingerprints, facial recognition, or digital access codes. Modern smart locks can even recognize who is entering, grant temporary access to visitors, and lock automatically when you leave. Car keys are evolving too. Many new vehicles can already be unlocked and started using a mobile phone, while some manufacturers are testing biometric authentication that could eliminate keys altogether. Physical keys won't disappear completely by 2030, but as smart security systems become more affordable and reliable, they could become something future generations rarely carry. And if keys are disappearing, there's another everyday technology that may soon become just as unnecessary: passwords. Technology number 3, passwords. For decades, passwords have protected our online accounts, but they're also one of the weakest links in digital security. People reuse them, forget them, or choose passwords that hackers can easily guess. That's why many technology companies are moving toward a passwordless future. Instead of typing a password, you'll simply verify your identity using your fingerprint, face, or a secure passkey stored on your device. Because the authentication happens on your phone or computer, there's no password for hackers to steal through phishing emails or fake websites. Passkeys are already supported by major platforms and are expected to become far more common over the next few years. Passwords won't disappear overnight. Many older systems will still rely on them, but by 2030, typing a long password every time you log in could feel as outdated as using a dial-up internet connection. And as logging in becomes simpler, another everyday experience may also start to disappear: waiting in checkout lines. Technology number 4, traditional checkout counters. Standing in line to pay for your shopping has been a normal part of life for generations. But that may not be true by 2030. Retailers are increasingly adopting checkout-free technology that lets customers simply walk into a store, pick up what they need, and leave. Cameras, sensors, and AI track the items you take, while payment is processed automatically through your account. Even where fully automated stores aren't practical, self-checkout kiosks and mobile payment apps are reducing the need for traditional cashier lanes. The goal isn't just convenience. It also helps stores reduce waiting times and operate more efficiently. Human cashiers will still be needed in many places, but the familiar checkout counter with long queues could become much less common. And as transportation undergoes its own transformation, another technology that has defined the last century could begin disappearing too: gas stations. Technology number 5, gas stations. For more than a century, gas stations have been essential to everyday transportation. But the rapid rise of electric vehicles is beginning to change that. As battery technology improves, driving ranges are increasing, charging times are getting shorter, And public charging networks are expanding across many countries. More drivers are also charging at home or at work, reducing the need to stop at a gas station altogether. By 2030, millions more electric vehicles are expected to be on the road, and many fuel stations will likely add fast chargers, or gradually shift toward becoming charging hubs instead of traditional fueling stops. Gas stations won't disappear everywhere overnight, especially in regions where gasoline vehicles remain common, but their role is likely to shrink as transportation becomes increasingly electric. And as our cars become smarter, another everyday gadget may quietly fade away: the remote control. Technology number 6, the remote control. For decades, every television came with one essential accessory: the remote control. But voice assistants and artificial intelligence are changing how we interact with our devices. Instead of searching for buttons, people can simply say, "Play the latest episode," "Turn up the volume," or "Switch to the football game." Smart TVs are also becoming better at learning viewing habits, automatically recommending content, and responding to natural conversations instead of button presses. The same shift is happening beyond the living room. Voice control is expanding into smart homes, where lights, air conditioners, security systems, and appliances can all be controlled with a simple command. Remote controls won't disappear completely, but as voice recognition becomes faster and more accurate, reaching for one could become far less common. And if voice is replacing buttons, another everyday item may soon disappear from your wallet: plastic ID cards. Technology number 7, plastic ID cards. Your driver's license, work badge, hotel key, and even your passport could soon exist in one place. Your smartphone. Governments and technology companies are increasingly introducing secure digital IDs that allow people to prove their identity without carrying physical cards. Using biometric authentication like your fingerprint or face, these digital credentials can be more secure than traditional plastic cards, which can be lost, stolen, or copied. Several countries already support digital driver's licenses, and many airports are already testing it. Physical ID cards won't disappear completely by 2030, especially where digital infrastructure is still developing. But for millions of people, carrying a wallet full of plastic cards may become unnecessary, and as digital identity replaces physical documents. Another technology that's been part of the internet for decades is also beginning to evolve: traditional search engines. Technology number 8, traditional search engines. For years, finding information meant typing keywords into a search engine and scrolling through pages of links. That habit is already starting to change. AI-powered search assistants can now research multiple sources, summarize the information, compare different viewpoints, and give you a direct answer in seconds. Instead of searching for information, people are beginning to ask AI to find, analyze, and explain it for them. Need the best laptop under a certain budget? Instead of opening 10 different websites, your AI could compare reviews, specifications, prices, and recommend the best option, all in one conversation. Traditional search engines won't disappear overnight, but as AI becomes more accurate and trustworthy, clicking through endless links could become far less common. And if AI is taking over how we find information, it's also beginning to change who answers our questions. Human customer service. Technology number 9. Human customer service for routine tasks. Calling customer service often means waiting on hold, repeating your problem, and being transferred from one department to another. AI is beginning to change that. Modern AI assistants can already answer questions, track orders, process refunds, schedule appointments, and solve many common problems without human intervention. As these systems become more capable, they'll be able to understand natural conversations, remember previous interactions, and provide support 24 hours a day. For routine requests, this could mean faster service and shorter wait times. Human representatives will still be essential for complex issues that require empathy, negotiation, or critical judgment. But many everyday support tasks are likely to be handled by AI long before 2030. And finally, there's one technology that millions of people still use every day, but advances in AI may make it far less necessary: the computer mouse. Technology number 10, the computer mouse. For over 40 years, the computer mouse has been the primary way people interact with computers. But that could begin to change before 2030. Artificial intelligence is making it possible to control devices using natural language, voice commands, gestures, and even eye tracking. Instead of clicking through menus, you could simply say, "Create a presentation from last week's sales report," or "Edit this photo and remove the background." And the AI would do the work for you. As augmented reality headsets and spatial computing become more common, interacting with digital content may feel less like using a computer and more like having a conversation. The mouse won't disappear completely, especially for gamers, designers, and other professionals who need precision. But for everyday tasks, it could become far less essential. The technologies we've explored today won't all disappear by exactly 2030. Some may take longer, while others could fade away even sooner. But one thing is becoming increasingly clear. The future isn't just about inventing new technologies. It's about replacing the old ones with something better. Thanks for watching Future Wealth Vision. If you enjoyed this science-based look at the future, subscribe for more documentaries exploring the technologies shaping tomorrow. Because the future isn't something we wait for. It's something we're already building.